Before the couple of months, we have got the Angular 9 release, and now, just after the 4 months, we are getting the new Angular 10. It is smaller in size with the help of some changes that has been provided, and it is very frequent in release. So in Angular 10, we can see that it has been released just after the 4 months and has the major release in platform framework, material and CLI, and the change is smaller than the previous one, and it has the capabilities with date picker range that was not available, and it is now available in material UI component. Also comes with warning for CommonJS that we are importing that creates some loads. You can start utilizing the date picker range and make your work easy. And it also comes with the list of browser, and it also comes with some default browser that are already available in their list, and you can also define the list of browser. There are so many updates that are also available that are regarding to the warning and optional striker, the browsers, and there are so many services and packages that has been modified in their use based on whether they are providing in the root or we can define some generic or not. You can now update to the Angular 10 with this command, and also you can visit this particular site to get the latest update, or you can jump from one version to another. Thank you.